Dear class 10 students, look at page 2. This is continuation of last class unit 1. Last time we had discussed about greetings, we had discussed about clothes, we had discussed about food and drinks. Today we are going to discuss about doing business in different countries. Let me read this. In most countries, an exchange of business card is essential for all introductions. At the time of introductions, in most of the countries, they will exchange their business card, or that might be visiting card also. You should include your company name and your position in a business card. What is mentioned there? Company's name and your position will be mentioned in the business card. If you are going to a country where your language is not spoken or widely spoken, you can get the reverse side, means opposite side of your card printed in the local language. As for example, in our card also there will be one side Nepali, another side English. English is widely spoken, that's why English language is written there, and Nepali language is for Nepalese people only. Okay, this is applicable in other countries also. In Japan, you must present your card with both hands, with the writing facing the person you are giving it to. Okay, in Japan, if you go to Japan, you have to learn this. You have to present your card with both hands. Okay, in many countries, business hours are from 9 or 10 a.m. to 5 or 6 p.m. Okay, then you may know it depends on their rule and regulation of those countries. Their business hours, their business office hours may differ countries to country. So, as for example, in our Nepal, 4 o'clock, for like 10 to 4. Okay, usually. Generally. However, in some countries such as Greece, Italy, and Spain, some business close in the early afternoon for a couple of hours. For a couple of hours, they close and they then remain open until the evening. They open again, they close for a few hours, again they open, and that will remain open until the evening. Okay, this we have experience in banking sector in Nepal. We have seen that Japanese business people consider it their professional duty to go out after work. After work, they go out. Professional duty, uh, people, they go out after they work with their colleagues, with their friends, maybe in restaurant or in bars or in nightclubs. If you are invited, you should not say no. You should not say no, even if you do not feel like staying out late. Okay, this is their culture in Japan. Okay. Oh, here are some extra tips. You had better have this information, these extra tips. If you have to go abroad or foreign countries, if you know these rule and regulation of different countries, it will be easy for you to adjust there. Oh, here are some extra tips that help you when you travel. Okay, sometimes you have to travel, you need to travel at the time. These are very necessary, and if you do not know, you will confuse, you cannot adjust easily, and you may have to face problem or trouble there. Number one, in many Asian Asian culture, it is acceptable to smack your lips. Smack your lips. Here is written, smack your lips. Okay, smack your lips. Lips means, you know, the smack your lips means, you know that when food is tasty, we smack our lips. Okay, we smack our lips when food is tasty. When you eat, it means that the food is good. If food is good, smacking your lips is acceptable in Asian countries, Asian cultures. In France, try to learn in France. You should not sit down in a cafe until you have shaken hands with everyone you know. It is clear for you. Okay? Until and unless you finish shaking hands with each one, it is not good to sit down. Okay? Even in our country, we follow this rule. Okay? Mostly we shake hands with everyone before we sit. In India and the Middle East, you must never use the left hand for eating, drinking. Greeting, eating, drinking. Okay? For greeting, eating, drinking, we should not use left hand in India as well as in Middle East. Okay? Let's go for another number. In China, your host will keep refilling your dish. Refilling your dish means keep on putting food in your dish until you lay your chopsticks across your bowl. Okay, this you should understand. In China, they put chopsticks across. Okay, if they don't put chopsticks across, they will keep on refilling the dish. They will keep on or putting the dish, putting the food. Most South Americans and Mexicans like to stand very close to the person they are talking to. While they talk to each other, they go very close to each other. They don't keep distance. They don't go away. Okay, they don't keep distance, the big distance in between them. While talking, they come closer to each other. You should not back away. You should not back away in South American and Mexican. If you go to Mexico and America, you should know this. In Russia, you must match your host drink. You must match your host drink. Okay, for drink means your drink should match with host drink. Should not be different with host drinks. Okay, should be similar. They will think you are unfriendly if that is not matched. If that does not match, you are unfriendly. You are understood as unfriendly. In Ireland, social events sometimes end with singing and dancing. Okay, you you might be asked to sing. In Ireland, social events sometimes end with singing and dancing. Social event conclude with singing and dancing. You you might be asked to sing. You might be asked to sing in Ireland. Okay. In America, you should eat your hamburger with both hands and as quickly as possible. In America, if you go to America, you should learn this manner. Okay, this way. When you eat hamburger, you should eat with both hands. Okay, you should not try to have a conversation until it is eaten. Okay, until it is eaten, you should have a conversation. Okay, I hope you have understood from this chapter. Okay, etiquette, general etiquette of different countries, and you have learned about greetings and clothes, food and drinks, doing business, and some extra tips of different countries. Okay, I hope you have understood. Okay, so let's okay, let's solve this puzzle. Okay, let's solve this puzzle. Across means like uncomfortable, humiliating. Uncomfortable, humiliating means one number. Where is one number? uh, Embarrassment, you can write embarrassment. E E M B A R R A S M E N T, embarrassment. Okay, I repeat, E M, I have not written here, E M B A R R A S M E N T, embarrassment. Okay, another one, a part of piece of clothing that covers your arm. Okay, arm. Sleep. Where is sleep? S L E E V E, sleep. Okay, I have said, but you can do in your book. Okay, you can do it in your book. This is across. 1 and 2 only across. Now down. One number, show. One number show means one number. This is one number. Reveal. R E B E A L, reveal. R E B E A L, reveal. Reveal. Okay, you can write downwards, reveal. Reveal. And number two, in a strong or definite way. In a strong or definite way, two number. Where is two number? Yeah, firmly. F I R M L Y, firmly. F I R M L Y, firmly. Now three number. Opposite. Opposite. What is? Opposite. Reverse. Reverse. R E V E R S E. R E V E R S E. Reverse. Okay. Reverse. Now what is it? Co-occurs. Co-occurs means here is C. Colleague. C O L L E A E A G U E, colleague. C O L L E G G U E, colleague. G U E, colleague, colleague. Okay, okay. We have solved this puzzle. You have to write accordingly in your book. Okay, with the help of pencil. Okay, look at page number 4. Read the text and decide whether the following statements are true or false. Okay. Number A, when an American meets us for the first time, we shake hands. That is true. B number, in many parts of Asia, friends kiss on both cheeks when they meet. Friends kiss on both cheeks when they meet in Asia. That is false. In Mexico, many people think that lunch is a time to relax and socialize. This is also true. This is true. D number, in India, we should take off our shoes when entering a restaurant. This is false. E number, in Japan, we must present our business cards with both hands. Okay, that is clear. You have learned from the passage. That is true. In Spain, some business close in the early afternoon for a couple of hours. That is true. Okay. Okay, let's do question answer. Read the text again and answer the following questions. You have to write in your copy. Okay, I will say answer. Many. Okay, mention any one difference between the American and the Japanese greetings. Okay, their greetings are different in between America and Japan. Okay, what is this answer? I have written here this way. Americans greet each other by shaking hands and looking each other, and Japanese greet each other by bowing their heads. Okay, answer is clear for number A question. Number B, look here. What type of clothes should the Muslim women not wear in Muslim countries? Okay, B number. The Muslim women should not wear open clothes which are made to show their body or the body. Okay, that is the answer of B. C number. Is your main meal of the day same as that in Britain? Okay, C number. Yes, the main meal of the day the same as that in Britain, in the sense we Nepalese are also not restricted to talk. To talk has to be restricted to talk. Okay, to talk about business while eating. Okay, that you can write in your book, question as well as answer. Okay, D number. Look here. In which countries do people prefer discussing business during meals? In look here. In Britain and United States, people prefer discussing business during meals. Okay, D number. Now E number. When is it necessary to print your business card in the local language? Which number is this? E number. Okay. When we are going to the another countries where our language is not widely spoken, at that time it is necessary to print our business card in the local language. Okay, write this way. Now F number. Where does physical distance between the speakers play significant role? Okay, E number. F number. Physical distance between the speakers play significant role in every Asian and Muslim countries. Okay, this way you need to write answers of these questions in your note copy. Okay, dear student, that's all for today. We will meet in next class. Thank you.